కాటుక కళ్ళలు చూస్తే పోతుందే మతి పోతుందే जाग जाओ भारतवासियों, अब घुटता है दम हमारा, तोड़ दो गुलामी की जंजीरें। मैं आंध्रा पूरी कर ही रही थी कि उन दिनों आई वॉज ऑलमोस्ट शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर दंगल। आई वाज सपोज्ड टू कट माई हेयर फॉर दैट। राणा सर टॉट मी हाउ टू ईट हाथ से। आफ्टर माई हॉर्स राइडिंग शॉट अल्लू अर्जुन सर केम। रामचरण के बाद अगर कोई अच्छा हॉर्स राइडिंग कर सकता है तो
Allu Arjun sir said that. Welcome to my show. Today I have an aggressive actor. I call her an aggressive actor. Why? After that you will come to know when I reveal my guest. Well, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. I don't know, when I see her वो automatically आ जाता है. अब इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं बता सकती. Okay, so let me introduce my friend. Beautiful lady in a nice sari. I loved you in this sari.
Thank you.
And you don't need any kind of introduction. You know her, right? Or you want me to reveal her name? Ulka Gupta ma'am. I mean ma'am नहीं बोलूँगी, उल्का बोलती हूँ.
Yeah, seriously नेहा.
वो actually इनकी गलती है because when I was sitting here, she's calling me ma'am. अब वो ma'am बोलते बोलते suddenly I'm
You're
also
trying to
doing that.
punish me and I get it. I'm not going to call you ma'am.
No, it's not punishment. In friendship, no punishment. No sorry, no thank you,
I
right? So अच्छी रही शुरुआत with lot of positivity. So Ulka, I wanted to know first your relationship with your acting. मतलब when you started it, when you discovered अरे यार ये तो मेरी cup of tea है, ये मैं ही पीऊँगी. This is mine world. I will explore that. So when you got that spark?
Hello Hyderabad, అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
Wow.
I'm your Ulka Gupta.
And she's in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know me as your Jhansi Rani
Yes.
from ZTV. You know me as Chinna Rudramadevi.
हाँ वो भी.
You know me as your Andhra Pori.
Yes.
And a lot of my other projects from Telugu.
Great
So
profile
proud,
she has.
so proud and happy and grateful to be a part of it. And thank you. My first inspiration came from my dad.
Okay.
My father is an actor. Chala Hindilo pani chestaru. So he ran away from his uru just to become an actor at the age of 15. So anyway,
I
when
came to know from where you got aggressive blood now.
I guess the aggression is from the
Yes.
Bihari bloodline.
Yes, true.
So very proud to be. And I'm born and raised in Mumbai.
Yes.
Very lucky for that also. So पापा को मैं बचपन से देखती थी. I used to see he's going on sets, acting वगैरह, and I just knew he's an actor. So उन्होंने हमें एक्टिंग की तालीम भी दी थी. हम 3 बच्चे हैं.
Teen
Me,
sisters or like
2 sisters.
one brother?
I'm the eldest one, and then I have a brother who's a year younger to me, and then a sister who's 3 years younger to us. We were all child actors in the starting.
Wow.
That also has a story. So मैं बहुत पापा को देखती थी. पापा हमें सेट पे लेकर जाते थे शूटिंग के वक्त भी. कुछ एक फैसिनेशन था, मुझे समझ नहीं आता था. मैं देखकर सोचती थी कि मैं कब कैमरे के आगे आऊँगी, मुझे कब मौका मिलेगा. और पापा को शूटिंग करते हुए देखती थी. मुझे लगता है आई थिंक आई हैड इट इन माई ब्लड. इट सीम्स I was always inclined towards it.
Okay.
And one day I told my papa that
What was your age when you were telling him?
6.
Oh,
at the age of 6.
6.
हाँ.
You were telling I want to be an actor.
అందుకే I think blessing కదా నాకు.
Yes.
నా నాన్న is an actor. He gave us the acting ka talim. అంటే ఏంటి basics. Confidence was naturally there.
Okay.
And he was like कैसे मम्मी पापा करते हैं.
Yeah.
गेस्ट आएंगे तो पोएम सुनाना ऐसा सुनाना.
Yes. They used to give you encouragement then.
My dad used to write poems, different poems, और he used to write some scripts.
Oh.
And इसलिए मेरे गेस्ट आने वाले हैं, उनके सामने हर एक बच्चा को एंटरटेन करना है.
That's a good exposure.
So that was a way we had to face people,
audience,
perform in front of them. That was our theatre at home. So kudos to my dad actually. His name is Gagan Gupta and I'm a proud daughter of an actor. So he's not like I won't say we are stars or anything. We weren't. He wasn't.
You're actors,
So
man.
we're actors.
Actors
We're
are
an
stars.
artist. तो उन्होंने बोला कि यार I can't get you an acting gig directly because just because you're my daughter, you'll of course have to go through the audition process kada. You'll have to. If you get clicked, you'll get it. So मैं पापा को देखती थी कि वो एक एक्टर की लाइफ ही ऐसी होती है यार. I mean हर महीने सैलरी नहीं मिलती. एक आर्टिस्ट की लाइफ ऐसी होती है. You have to get your gigs. You have to create. You have to just. So he used to go for I'm telling you like 20 auditions a month. जहाँ पता चलता था. आजकल तो auditions have become online.
So easy.
You know? बट तभी तो वी यूज्ड टू हैव दीज फोटोग्राफ्स और हर जगह प्रोडक्शन हाउस में देना पड़ता था.
मॉर्निंग निकले रात को आए.
लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, मैं भी पापा को कॉपी करती थी स्कूल के बाद, यू नो, मम्मी के साथ बीएसटी बस में बैठ के कभी वर्सोवा जाना, कभी अंधेरी जाना, ऑल दीज प्लेसेस. But I enjoyed it.
So that struggle of your auditions, yeah.
I will thank my mom that this, as being a normal housewife के अलावा भी she took me everywhere. My dad took me everywhere. I gave auditions. और तो as a kid only I started struggling.
Yeah.
तो मेरा ये होता था कि 10 जगह ऑडिशन दूंगी तो एक जगह तो सिलेक्ट हो ही जाऊंगी ना शायद, या शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाऊंगी.
Good.
So I never gave up. And करते करते at the age of 7, JD Majidhia.
You started from 6 years going to the auditions and इतना peaceful. You were not a naughty child.
And school में मन नहीं लगता था.
6 years में
I was very naughty. रिसेस होते ही मेरा मन नहीं, मेरे फर्स्ट क्लास से मैं होल्ड करके रखती थी टिफिन.
Okay.
कि रिसेस होगा मैं लेके भागूंगी.
मतलब वही भागने की आदत पहले से ही थी.
बहुत.
But for auditions you are going, that's great. Traveling and coolly you are going because your focus was very clear.
That clarity is very important, Kada. Like
7
what you
years
want in
you
life.
were clear.
That's why I just say thank you God, thank you. You told me, you just told me what I exactly want.
Then how you got your first break?
JD Majidhia sir.
Okay.
You know, I don't know if you know, in Hindi he's a very famous director, actor, writer, producer. Khichdi mein he plays his role called Himanshu.
Okay, yeah.
It's a very famous comedy show kada. So he's a big producer and he gave me that chance. He told me you're chala expressive. And my dad taught me how to पेट से कैसे आवाज निकालना चाहिए. It's very important in theatre and acting. So yeah, he just gave me, he took some of my auditions and he gave me a chance.
But in the childhood, do you used to do like एक ऐसा ना mirror के सामने we used to express expressions देते हैं तरह तरह के. A favorite actress.
That's still my pastime. But when nobody is in the room, मैं mirror के सामने वही करती रहती हूँ.
So who's your favorite actress? Whom you actually want to copy?
Keep so it's मेरे लिए सिर्फ एक्ट्रेस ही नहीं, एक्टर्स भी बहुत फेवरेट है. सो यू नो, आई बिलीव आई एम एन आर्टिस्ट फर्स्ट एंड देन अ फीमेल और अ मेल, यू नो, लाइक.
बट फर्स्ट एक क्रश रहता है ना एक्ट्रेस का, देखे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. यू फील एंथुसियास्टिक, यू वांट टू बी विद लाइक, यू नो, लाइक देम.
आई वुड से शायद जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया होगा, मेरे लिए तो मेरे डैडी थे. सच बोलूं.
गुड, दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग.
Rani Mukherjee.
Oh, wow, she's so expressive.
Aishwarya Rai.
So how you used to take their like?
I used to see छोटे शहरों से ना वो सब फिल्मों को देखकर.
You can make eyes expressions also and all that. You're good in that.
Shridevi was my favorite.
I want to do. You should do, and you're in a full avatar. The way she, you know, sari में and the full makeup she used to be like.
In my defense, मैं एक फोटो शूट से आ रही हूँ. Neha and I had planned this interview since a long time, and I thought I'll wear something else, something more decent and subtle, but because of running late, I directly came in my avatar.
You always watch her movies and enjoy her movies like that.
When I'm a 2000 Gen Z kada.
Okay.
So I have seen her glimpses.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much a cinema lover you are, like watching movies continuously, you know, एक movie को 100 बार भी देखा, पसंद आई तो. Are you like that? No. You are not much of that kind of a person.
नहीं. Somehow I am a movie lover. But I like to create my own.
Okay.
Instead of watching so much.
Okay.
मतलब मैं ज़्यादा content consume करती भी नहीं.
Okay, good.
हाँ, entertainment के लिए अपने लिए ठीक है.
Okay, but what about the music? What kind of a music lover you are?
Everything, ma'am. Honestly. So Neha, I'm like जहाँ से inspiration मिल गया वो. But entertainment के लिए सब कुछ, music.
Entertainment के लिए कुछ भी करेगा.
But let me tell you, been a big fan of Telugu films.
Oh yes.
It's a very young age.
Okay.
School से आती थी and I used to watch these Ravi Teja films, Prabhas की movies. So me and my brother, we used to love them. अब मैं नाम नहीं ले सकती हूँ कि हिंदी में उसका टाइटल अलग है ना.
हाँ, because
बदले की आग, शिवा, ऐसे सारे फिल्म
like the Telugu movies used to come in Hindi.
That's where my aggression comes from.
Okay, so yeah, we know that, you know, the Telugu movies हिंदी में होती है. अब तो खैर pan India.
अभी तो pan India हो गया.
6-7 years से this trend have started. So how you see, like जब हिंदी में movie आती थी, how you used to recognize that actors? You used to Google it or what?
हाँ, नहीं उतना नहीं, तब उतना नहीं, because we didn't have internet उतना. So me and my brother, I remember हम लोग ना स्कूल के बाद आते ही दोपहर को ना सेट मैक्स पे जो सारी movies लगती थी. So yeah, that's how I've been fan of.
So Telugu. Your childhood is gone with watching all Telugu movies, I must say.
My childhood has gone with shooting.
Okay.
थोड़ा बहुत school.
Okay.
and little bit TV.
So how you got this Jhansi Ka Rani? What was your age that time?
I was 12.
See, but 12 में you know I mean you
उससे
have
पहले मैं
study
कई
pressure.
सीरियल्स कर रही थी.
But that was a more challenging.
That is the only show that gave me the
mentally,
fame.
Yeah, but we can see the hard work also on the screen,
Thank
right?
you. I was signed for only 20 episodes as a
Okay.
normal child actor.
Okay.
And little did I know that you know I will be asked to extend.
Okay.
वो हमारे फर्स्ट डे पे ही TRP टेलीकास्ट के बाद इतनी हाई हो गई थी कि फिर प्रोड्यूसर्स को लगा कि इफ पीपल आर लाइकिंग दिस गर्ल तो लेट अस एक्सटेंड.
Extend. So you went for audition or how you got this
यस यस
episode?
यस बहुत ही रिग्रेस ऑडिशन था. मेरे पापा ने भी मदद की. स्टिल रिमेंबर माय
Because it's a
कास्टिंग
big
डायरेक्टर
role,
जैनेट
Jhansi Ki Rani. Yeah.
कॉन्टेलो प्रोडक्शंस ने एक बहुत मतलब आई थिंक दे हैड कंडक्टेड एन ऑडिशन ऑल ओवर इंडिया
Oh.
टू कास्ट दिस यंग गर्ल.
Oh.
And the cast was already locked. पहले Kritika Singer who played the elder one, she was locked, and a younger one was required. So बहुत सारे cast auditions के बाद मुझे मौका मिला. I think नई करके तो 200-300 लड़कियों में से.
Wow.
I'm really lucky. I think so lucky.
And you
I
did
think
justification
my dad
also.
helped me through the audition.
So how you deal that fame? Because of fame तो मतलब था ही. It was like I can see Jhansi Ki Rani बोले तो people can visualize you only first. So how was the response and when you used to go out and people used to come to you? Any moments, good moments you have you would like to share?
Many ma'am. I mean, they used to tell us. मतलब सबसे एक तो बहुत ऐसा प्रेशियस मोमेंट मेरे लिए रहा था. मैं भोपाल में एक इवेंट कर रही थी.
Okay.
15th अगस्त के लिए. और उस सीरियल के बाद एक्टर को कई इवेंट्स के लिए बुलाया जाता है विच इज़ अ वेरी स्वीट थिंग. कहीं 15th अगस्त के लिए तो मुझे बहुत आता था.
Yes. it
और
will.
26 जनवरी रिपब्लिक डे के
Yeah.
लिए बिकॉज आई इन द यंगस्टर्स आई वाज एन
Yes,
आइकन ऑफ अ
yes,
पेट्रियोटिक
yes.
सिंबल. सो मैं भोपाल में थी और उस मंच पे जो भी मेरा थोड़ा बहुत इंटरेक्शन था ऑडियंसेस के साथ, मैं जैसे वहाँ से निकली ना तो एक बूढ़े इंसान ने, एक बूढ़े व्यक्ति ने, आई मीन आई एम श्योर वो 70s 80s में होंगे, 80s में होंगे, उन्होंने झुक के मेरे मेरे पैरों को प्रणाम किया था. मैं पीछे हट गई. मेरे पापा ने बोला आप क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसे, पाप चिढ़े. बोलते नहीं, हम ये मत सोचिए, हम अपनी जो झांसी की रानी को देखते हैं हम उनका सत्कार कर रहे हैं, उनको नमन कर रहे हैं, और जो हम आप में देखते हैं. तो एक एक्टर के लिए
It's a big moment.
इट्स अ बिग थिंग ना. तब मुझे पता चला कि मेरे ऊपर कितना बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
Yes.
था या है और आगे भी शायद रहेगा if I play roles. And
How you got your first offer in South? How you entered into Telugu industry?
I got my first call at the age of 14-15 की रही होंगी मैं.
Okay.
सीरियल्स कर रही थी थोड़ा
Yeah.
बहुत कर रही थी. I was also focusing on my school and college. Gunashekar sir,
Okay.
sir's team called me to play the younger Rudrama Devi. For the Rudrama
He
Devi.
must have seen your Jhansi Ka Rani.
Yes, he must have. He must have seen those glimpses. His wife, Ragini ma'am. So they casted me. They unanimously casted me.
Okay.
as
They
the
just
younger
you got a
Rudrama
call.
Devi. Yeah,
No
because they were like,
auditions?
which other girl can actually horse ride and sword fight at that age group, right?
Yeah.
And they had already seen me. And then later I got to know about, I learned about Rudrama Devi.
Okay.
So it was not Akele Jhansi Ki Rani. She was in the she was of course famous all over India as a historic character.
Yeah,
But even
yeah.
Rudrama Devi was one of a kind of a lady, like a devi only, you know.
Yeah.
She was born as a girl and she only did not know that she was a boy.
Yes.
And the story was beautiful. I got to play the younger Rudrama
Yes.
Devi. I got to play a boy also and a girl
Yes,
also. Very
yes,
interesting.
Yes.
And Guna sir trusted me. तो वो मेरा first exposure था.
You met first time with Anushka ma'am, like
Yes.
Anushka Shetty. She's a big star. Bahubali and now.
मैं उस वक्त नहीं जानती थी इतना.
What was your first when you met Anushka?
हेम चिप्पाली मैम ఫస్ట్ ఎవ్రీవన్ సెడ్ అనుష్క మ్యామ్ ఆయనకి ఒక సింపుల్ లుక్లో చూసాను. యాక్చువల్లీ మేల్ క్యారెక్టర్ గెటప్లో నేను చూసాను. నేను స్టాప్ అయ్యాను అక్కడ, స్టాచ్యూ అయ్యాను. ఆయన ఫేస్ చూసి ఐ వాజ్ లైక్ మెస్మరైజ్డ్.
Oh, she's so beautiful.
She's so beautiful. I think there's some tapasya that I think she
she's
does.
a yoga teacher and
Yeah.
spiritually also very
ఇంత
good. Yeah.
స్పిరిచువల్ గ్లో ఆరా ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంది తెలుసా. And that's how I first saw her when she was in that short acting.
But before
type in the-
before signing it or before you didn't.
అట్లా the
you
shooting was
didn't?
already going on in the
Okay.
outskirts of Hyderabad near
Okay.
Kachiboli and Mundu.
So to shoot the childhood wala, then they called
Yeah, I
you.
was directly called on the set.
Okay.
उन दिनों అల్లు అర్జున్ సార్,
हाँ.
అనుష్క మ్యామ్, రాణా సార్ सबका షూట్ చాలు था.
Okay.
చిన్నప్పుడు సీన్ వాస్ అబౌట్ టు బి షార్ట్
Shorted.
మధ్యలో
Okay.
స్కెడ్యూల్స్ మధ్యలో.
Okay.
So I was shooting my first scene in the movie was with Prakash Raj sir.
Okay. Sure, sure.
I was shocked.
How it was? So you were nervous when you met
I
Prakash Raj
was
sir. How they
nervous.
treated you, or like?
But since I was just 13-14 and
Yeah.
you know that time I didn't know much people's name.
Yeah,
I didn't
okay.
know who was a star, who was
Yeah.
what. I
So
just
it was a
knew that
normal
this is a
meeting
Telugu.
you were having. Yeah.
Yeah, but I enjoyed working. It was so much. I mean,
so in
Gunashekar
sets
sir-
about anything, like she used to come and tell you something, or you used to meet
Of
her.
course, Anushka
Whatever, yeah.
Akka taught me a few Telugu dialogues also.
Oh really?
Yeah,
What
yeah,
was
yeah.
that?
First
Do you
word was
remember?
Yadava.
Tell me.
She taught me go tell this one. Bye Yadava.
Bye.
నేను చెప్పాను.
Okay.
And అందరూ started laughing at me.
Okay. So
And,
she was ragging you, I think.
She was having fun with me.
Anushka ma'am was
But then she
ragging.
taught me.
Yeah.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు, బాగున్నారా సార్, బాగున్నారా మ్యామ్, భోజనం తిన్నారా, ఇలాంటి స్మాల్ థింగ్స్.
So sweet.
I remember we were shooting at Kuntala Falls. Rana sir taught me how to eat హాత్ సే, అంటే ఎలా ఆంధ్ర
Okay,
ఫుడ్ కి ఎలా
okay, how to
తినాలి.
eat. Rana sir told you.
Avunu.
Oh, Rana ji.
Taught me, like, he was
Okay.
so sweet, such a
Yeah, he's
gentleman.
sweet, yeah.
I was just very young.
Okay.
After my horse riding shot, Allu Arjun sir came out of my makeup room, and he said, full industry mein, I think I still remember these words and I've said it in a few interviews and I will never forget it.
Yeah, these are your
He was like,
hardworking people.
रामचरण के बाद अगर कोई अच्छा horse riding कर सकता है तो
It's you.
तो
Allu
it's
Arjun
you.
sir
He
said that. After
Yeah.
Ramcharan, it's you. Good
Yeah.
horse rider. Oh.
I remember that, and he's like, "Welcome to Tollywood film industry." Allah. He said that. So
So
sweet.
he planned your future, I think. This
So-
girl going to
I
rock.
think no, he's such a big superstar.
Now he's
I'm still a
back.
crazy
Yeah.
fan. I'm still asking the team of Rudramadevi, मेरा एक still है sir के साथ, please भेज दो.
So you
So I
want
can
to
also
meet,
show off to the world.
so
that
you want to
నేను
meet
పుష్పరాజ్
Allu Arjun
నికల్సా.
sir, Pushpa, huh? You want to meet him.
But he was playing a very important role called Gonna Ganna Reddy,
Yes,
no?
yes,
From
yeah.
history, yeah.
So these are your long, I mean,
My
memories.
start was so well.
Yeah.
And then I did this other movie called Andhra Pori.
Yeah. Hmm.
I think it's so brave of the production house and my director Rajmati Raju sir that oka Hindi అమ్మాయికి a proper Andhra Brahmanical
Yeah.
సంవరంగా తెలుగు అమ్మాయి రోల్ ఇచ్చారు.
Hmm.
అంటే ఎంత నమ్మకం ఉంది నా మీద. అండ్ సో ఐ కేమ్ 20 days ముందు 10 days ముందు
10 days,
వర్క్షాప్ చేశాను. ఐ టుక్ ద ఎఫర్ట్ టు లెర్న్ కొంచెం తెలుగు.
Telugu. Now you're doing so well.
నాకు
Superb.
భాషలు అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం, నేర్చుకోవడం చాలా ఇష్టం. సో ఐ థాట్ వై నాట్, ఐ మీన్
You're a pan-India woman, you're a pan-India actress.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So people know your Hindi, English, whether it's go to Telugu, people relate you with everything.
Thank
But
you.
the way you have talking Telugu is like trained, super trained, fast.
లెర్నింగ్ మ్యామ్, స్టిల్
Yeah.
ఇంకా లెర్నింగ్.
No, you don't need learning more. It's more than good. So then what happened is this movie here.
Andhra Pori was a great experience. It was an
Okay.
independent type of a project. Just similar to the ways, you know, जब पहले के ज़माने में होता था
Yeah.
कि एक्टर्स आइडिएशन से लेकर स्क्रिप्ट के हर ड्राफ्ट
Yeah.
होता रहता है, उससे लेकर सॉन्ग म्यूजिक क्रिएट हो रहा है उसके साथ साथ, तो हमें पूरा वो फ्लो पता चल रहा था कि
I
कहानी
know.
क्या है. इट इज एक्चुअली
What
एन
was your age
अडैप्टेशन.
that time? That
16.
16. My God, you're doing good.
17. I don't
I
know.
think from 12 your
I have
journey
no
started.
idea. एज का उतना मैंने कभी सोचा ही
But
नहीं
I think
था.
from 12 your journey started properly. Proper shows, proper movies, or proper serials.
I think, and I was guided well. I tried to take the rules that are critically
Yes.
different and stand out.
Okay.
Not a regular.
The regular ones.
Trying to.
Yes.
So that's where you learn, and that's where you're out of your comfort zone. So did well. अच्छे अच्छे एक्टर्स थे, उनसे भी सीखा. बट आफ्टर आंध्रा पुरी मैम, पता नहीं वो प्रेशर होता है. आंध्रा पुरी didn't do that well in theaters. అప్పుడు that was the time where Andhra and Telangana was separating.
Okay.
And the movie's plot was also such that a Telangana అబ్బాయి and Andhra అమ్మాయి
Ah.
loves teenage love story అది
Yeah,
కూడా.
teenage, yeah.
సో అండ్ సమ్ అదర్ హీట్ వేవ్స్ జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు
Into both.
సో ఐ వాజ్ కొంచెం డిసప్పాయింటెడ్.
Okay. But you're growing, yeah? Come on. After.
యా
Yeah.
సో ఐ గాట్ అ ఫ్యూ మోర్ మూవీస్ అప్పుడప్పుడు. ద ప్రొడ్యూసర్ రామ్ మోహన్ సార్
Yeah.
కదా, he made this movie called Uyyala Jampala, Tanu Nenu, alanti films. So he had reached out to me for Tanu Nenu, in fact. I was disappointed movie valle. సో నేను మళ్ళీ హిందీలో నేను
busy in Hindi.
చాలా నేను అప్పుడు చిన్న అమ్మాయి కదా, ఎమోషనల్ అయ్యి నేను మళ్ళీ ముంబైలో.
So which is the biggest project you regret that you have to play that, but you after that you came to know it became a big, हर एक्टर की लाइफ में ये होता है कि you know कुछ emotions में आके, as you said, or you know because of some other projects you don't get dates and then you miss that big project. कोई है life का that after it came out and you said oh
many like that I think. Yeah, थोड़े से ऐसा होता ही है.
But the big one from south,
I was supposed to be a part of Dangal. मैं आंध्रा पूरी कर ही रही थी कि उन दिनों I was almost shortlisted for Dangal. I was supposed to cut my hair for that.
You missed Dangal?
I missed Dangal because I could not, मेरा contract था ना इधर, तो उसके शूटिंग और प्रमोशंस के बीच में बाल कटना अलाउड नहीं था, मुझे मना कर दिया.
And then second, this was a big one.
There was this international film called Love Sonia, which Mrinal Thakur did.
Yeah. Love Sonia.
I was supposed to play that. But मैं थोड़ी सी यंग थी उन दिनों, and I was born and brought up in a conservative family. तो जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा, it was about red light area. स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने में कुछ ऐसे मुझे I found those scenes were too bold, and of course the story was about red light area. So I wasn't mature enough. वो पढ़ते पढ़ते मेरे पेट में मुझे ऐसे कुछ होने लग गया था, मुझे उल्टी आने लग गई थी. तो ऐसे obscene scenes थे. तो उन दिनों में रिलेशनशिप्स में भी नहीं थी, तो आई हैड नो आइडिया
हाउ टू बी इन रिलेशनशिप.
सो ये कुछ सेक्सुअल सीन्स थे ना, तो मेरा तो ऐसे उल्टी आने लग गया था. मेरे को मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ. लाइफ ऑफ पाई की कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, द सेकंड यूनिट डायरेक्टर ऑफ स्लमडॉग मिलियनेयर हु वाज डायरेक्टिंग दिस मूवी, लाइक बिग पीपल यार, उन लोगों ने मुझे कास्ट किया था. और मैं रीडिंग के वक्त मुझे ऐसे होने लग गया, नहीं मम्मा मुझे घर जाना है, पापा मुझे नहीं करना है, मुझे बोलते आगे रीड करो, नहीं करना है. I left. That was an immaturity, I guess, but I think हर आर्टिस्ट के लिए लिखा होता है. And Mrinal Thakur did a great job. Yeah, stuff like
this.
So
South से anything you missed it because you're doing Hindi?
Tanu Nenu is a movie, but I think Avika.
Yeah.
Avika was a part of it. She's great. She's a big face here and good actor, great actor.
What makes you busy nowadays? Your future projects?
So I've been doing TV and films on and off. बीच में जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है. There was this phase, ma'am, आज से कुछ साल पहले जब लॉकडाउन खत्म हुआ था. That's when I got a chance in. मैं इसी होटल में आई थी. I met गुणशेखर सर. शकुंतलम बना रहे थे तभी वो. So उन्होंने मुझे भी सोचा था शकुंतलम के लिए, but then Samantha was over.
Okay.
So anyway.
That also missed.
That also kind of missed. Because anyway, they needed a bigger star in that.
Okay.
Their call, of course, not director producers. Their script, their story. Would have been a nice thing. I got a chance to work with Nagesh Kukunur.
Okay.
That's an amazing world movie director. And उनकी हिंदी में films हो या तेलुगु में हो.
That's
all amazing. I got a chance to work with him for Amazon Prime Video. Love. What is that? Modern Love Hyderabad.
Modern Love Hyderabad, yeah.
Naresh Garu, Pedda Naresh is a famous. He was the father. He was playing my father. And there were other stories played by Nithya Menon, Revati Garu.
Yeah.
I got to meet them.
Very nice.
So that was a different zone of, the Telugu film industry. Yes. So I was getting a lot of chance in web shows also. I was getting, और उतने में मुझे हिंदी में भी एक वेब शो मिला था. And पर मुझे दिल पे ना हर्ट हो गया था मैम. इतने ऑडिशंस देने के बाद आई गॉट दैट रोल इन दैट. इट वाज अ शो फॉर अ वेरी बिग OTT चैनल. एंड लास्ट में बोलते हैं पैनल वाले, स्टिल यार शी इज अ TV face. And that's why they cancelled me. I had cancelled so many serials. इतने सालों से सीरियल से गैप लिया था ये सोच के कि शायद maybe I will get a chance at OTT and get a crossover maybe. But then, just because I have done TV, is that a bad thing? I mean,
no.
I have done the auditions. You've loved my role.
Yeah.
The thinking, I think, was very regressive.
So
that
how you taken this in your way? And
I was hurt. I would have tried for other things, but at the same time, I was offered a great show from Star Plus.
A
very good production.
दरवाजा बंद होता है
Shashi Sim Productions. And I was thinking regressively at the moment कि TV क्यों करूँ? OTT कर रही हूँ तो TV क्यों करूँ? Movies का option आ रहा है तो. But I did it. आई सेड यू नो व्हाट, टीवी ने इतने सालों से मुझे फेम दिया है, टीवी की वजह से मैं फेमस हूँ,
हार्ड वर्क कभी
हाँ,
खाली नहीं जाता,
प्लेटफॉर्म क्यों मायने
Yeah,
रखना, और मैं एक
yes.
आर्टिस्ट हूँ, एंड आई एंजॉयड दैट रोल मैम, इट वाज अमेजिंग. तो आई थिंक झांसी की रानी के बाद एक जो टेस्टी रोल अगर मुझे मिला था तो वाज बन्नी वो
But
again.
after that, when movie came, you know, on this Jhansi Ki Rani, Kangna was doing. How was
Yeah.
how you felt? You met her, or you know, you tried to congratulate her. Have you met?
I
now?
haven't.
Okay.
I've seen her once, एक दो बार, एक दो parties में, but no. But I met Krish sir, the director of that
Okay.
movie. Yeah.
So
He's
now it's been a big gap, like when you worked with Allu Arjun sir and you know Anushka, you met everybody. After that, you never met, never get a chance.
I've met Anushka ma'am at a few promotions and Allu Arjun sir on
You
a few award
you were in
functions.
touch.
And he said hi also. I'm
Okay.
very grateful.
Okay.
I admire people from far away. It's
Yeah.
okay. I don't have to like photo लेना
Okay,
है,
yeah,
मिलना
yeah.
है, बात
You're
करना
also
है.
actor,
Okay.
yeah.
I enjoy. I admire. I learn things from there. कभी इंडस्ट्री से उनके बारे में like I listen so many things, no. Plus मुझे आज भी लोग बोलते हैं अरे जूनियर एनटीआर क्या डायलॉग्स, उनको ऐसे स्क्रिप्ट दे दो तो वो ऐसे ही याद कर लेते हैं. उनका परफॉर्मेंस, उनका डायलॉग डिलीवरी,
Yeah.
posture. Allu Arjun is so hard
About
working.
his dance, yeah.
About his dance, about his performance. Crazy, no?
Yeah.
Anushka ma'am is also so hardworking.
So
Tamanna
future
ma'am.
में you're planning some project should come and you should grab it.
Yeah.
वो
I'm currently shooting for a Telugu
manifestation-
film.
One manifestation है कि yes, I want to come back and work with them.
I aspire to. मैं पहले बहुत manifestations में मानती थी.
Okay.
But I'm like, you know what? Go with the flow.
Okay.
जो आना
That's
है
your
आएगा.
mantra.
I leave it on Krishna. Krishna
Wow.
knows best. Yeah.
Wow. You made it.
Yeah, he's very close
बहुत
to
अच्छी
my heart.
बात बोली. So you're a Krishna भक्त.
I love Krishna.
Good.
And yeah, I'm
So
glad.
what exactly spirituality means to you as you talk about what kind of a spiritual person you are?
I'd like to put it this way. నేను కూడా human. I'm just human. I'm still learning. And but I think I learn a few basics of what the Granth, the Vedas, what our religion is trying to say. And I'm trying to hold on to the core values. To स्मरण करना, स्मरण
Yes,
कहते हैं ना,
chanting.
भगवान को हमेशा स्मरण करना, उनको हमेशा अपने ध्यान में रखना, उनसे टच में. So he's more, Krishna is more like my friend.
Wow.
And I just feel like with my connection with God, be it Shiva, be it Krishna, my Devi, I feel
Great.
like I can just talk to them.
Wow.
Just, and they are not, we are all their kids, Kada.
Yes.
We are all spoilt. We have all sinned, but they're still not going to judge you like that.
So what's makes you feel happy when it comes to relationship, your family members, when you're free, how you want to go out and freak out and have maza with your family? What likes you the most?
At home, best,
Okay.
Yeah, because of my acting schedule,
You're very busy.
kind of busy, and because of that, I've also because of my schedule, I've had to move out. So I stay differently. तो अभी जब भी time मिलता है, whenever I'm in the city, in Mumbai, I go. We spend time at dinners.
Okay.
My mama is actually a patient. I will not
Okay,
like to
yeah.
elaborate much on that. So she can't at the moment go out or travel much.
She wants
so
to
it's
spend more
mostly
time.
more time at home. I just want to put a smile on my family's face.
That
that's
makes
all.
you happy,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
So as I'm talking about Telugu cinema, you're doing you would like to reveal more about it, about your role, your excitement?
I'd love to. So Shanmukh Jaswant, a very talented actor and a digital star, if you say, everywhere, star on everything, it seems. So he's the hero of our film. Adit Trigun, I guess, he is also a hero in the film. Shrikant Iyengar, Shivaji Garu, Brahmaji Garu, and most special is Bhumika Chawla ma'am.
Okay, she's
are all
also
doing
there.
special cameos in our film.
Oh.
And the story is beautiful. I'm very happy to get the part that I'm playing. It has a great graph, something that you guys have never seen before that I have done.
So right now, which movie makes you very happy of Telugu cinema? Like you waiting to watch is something.
I'm waiting to watch this recent hit called Court.
Okay.
I was working for a Hindi film ippudu.
Okay.
Bihar Lo. It's an
Okay.
independent Hindi project.
Okay.
Going to be made for feature only and film festivals. So as an actor I've changed tracks. मैं serials से भी थोड़ा time लेके movies पे focus कर रही हूँ because I think I'm very script oriented. Whichever
Yeah.
script that comes my way and takes my heart away, will do that.
true.
So Zarina Wahab ma'am, little did I know that she's a Telugu also. She was from
Okay.
Vishakhapatnam.
Yeah.
And we interacted and such a fine actor, such a fine personality. So उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला. So she was telling me, Ulka, you should definitely watch Court. It's a new movie
New
in
movie.
Telugu. I'll watch that. And there are many recommendations from
And when
my
you come to
friends.
Hyderabad, like what food and what do you look for? Are you a foodie?
Yeah, I like food so much. I love Andhra food, honestly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I'm not very fussy about food.
Mhm.
Wherever I go, I eat वहाँ का खाना.
Yeah,
When I was shooting in Rajasthan, I eat dal bati churma. I eat bajre ka roti.
So you're an all-rounder, like.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
for Hyderabad, what you like the most?
I will not say the biryani very much because
हाँ,
I'm
because
not,
वो common.
and I'm a vegan 4 years.
Okay.
तो वैसे भी खाना मिलना बहुत आसान है.
Okay.
Vegan खाना.
Veg. हाँ.
So मैंने एक जगह पे जैक फ्रूट की बिरयानी खाई है. जैक फ्रूट वाली हैदराबादी बिरयानी. It was
Oh.
जुम्मा.
Jackfruit biryani.
जैक फ्रूट का हैदराबादी
बिरयानी बोलते थे सारे actors, but I think this first actor have mentioned jackfruit biryani.
जैक फ्रूट हैदराबादी
Okay.
बिरयानी. I love गुत्ती వంకాయ కూర
Wow.
और गुत्ती వంకాయ.
So
Pulao.
nicely you're putting the
Yeah.
words.
I like పప్పు చారు.
You cook
everything.
also sometimes?
I
No.
cook back in Mumbai. So I'm somebody who loves my home ka food. I
Oh.
love home food. नहीं तो I cook my own food.
Okay.
I make nice tofu burji. If I'm at home, the most fastest thing I can make is make some tofu burji and some sourdough bread and I eat that. That's my
So
thing. Or salads maybe.
So I'll give you 4 names. You just name them in one way. Allu Arjun. For you, what means for you?
Dashing.
Rana.
Fine gentleman.
Junior NTR.
I have never met him, but I think dynamic ante.
Okay. Ramcharan.
Not met him, but I think I heard he's very hardworking, very focused.
Prabhas.
Superstar.
You would have
Crush
worked
undi.
him, you know?
I've
nahi?
never
Probably.
met him,
Yeah.
but crush undi Prabhas ante ishtam.
So you have a crush on him?
Yeah.
That's a big word, Prabhas.
I like Prabhas.
That's so many
yeah.
have crushes,
Prabhas
but
crush.
your crush is something different.
Yeah.
You're great. Chalo, let's start your favorite actress, Anushka.
I think my woman crush forever.
Oh, Anushka. And Samantha.
Talented.
Tamanna.
Gorgeous.
Rashmika.
I wanted to say talented for her also, but amazing. Auntie, sizzling, amazing.
Sridevi.
How do I? Is there a word ki everything
Yeah.
is in her only? Auntie? All these qualities are in her.
Yes, that's true.
Multi-talented.
Their daughters are also doing well. Did you meet them? I mean,
No,
by
no, no.
chance, no. So I was so excited to know about your projects. I think you should do more of projects in Hyderabad. I think maybe because of the
Wish
Hindi,
to.
you are.
Yeah. It's so
getting-
confusing, ma'am. Like when I was doing Telugu, I got a call from Bengali. Telugu nunchi Bengali ki ellanu, Bengali nunchi Marathi ki
till
ellanu,
now,
Marathi nunchi Hindi ki
how
ellanu.
many languages till now? You've been doing your Indian cinema like Bengali?
I have, other than in the regional cinema, I worked in Telugu, Bengali, Marathi and Hindi.
Wow.
Inka chance dorkite, inka chance. I'm very fascinated of Malayali cinemas, by the way, if I
Wow.
ever get a chance.
So I
I'd
think
love
you should
to.
next this Malayali
But
cinema.
Malayali is chala kashtam.
You
It's
can
so
do it.
hard, but
you
I
can
love
do
I'll
it.
learn it.
I mean, the person like you who loves learning,
Yes.
I can still see you're ready to learn. That's a big spirit you have.
ఒకటే లైఫ్ కదా.
So वही मेरा next question था.
I'm working on my French, by the way.
Oh.
I have learned French in school, but I'm trying to work on my spoken French. Hoping to get something.
Wow.
French and
So I जाथुर बकटे life. In this one life, what 2 things you want to do? मतलब वो करनी ही करनी है, कुछ भी हो जाए.
Acting, acting, acting.
कुछ
Yes.
रियल भी होना चाहिए.
I
Acting,
love
acting.
dancing. I love to learn languages. I love to learn different forms of dance. I want to try different roles. And of course, make a place in people's heart, whatever suits best. People tell me aggressive roles suit you the best.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
that mind में
Yeah.
that actor you have
Yeah.
established.
Queen roles, Devi roles, they suit me.
Superb,
I like
yeah.
that. But I'd like to try something different.
So
So this
what's-
is different.
Yes.
The one that I'm
What
working
are
on.
you doing? And what love and marriage for you? If you have to define.
love has to be simple, but love also requires effort.
Yes.
Effort has to be on both the sides.
Hmm.
Like even in our every relationship, like in my relationship with my family, of course they love me unconditionally, but you'll only enjoy the relationship when there's effort.
Yeah, right.
Parents don't have to put effort. It's okay. They love.
So
you've
marriage,
given-
what
Marriage.
what means for you?
It means
Commitment or something? What makes
Nah,
you
nah.
one word first आता है marriage बोले तो?
nahi, anta scared leader.
Okay,
No, I'm
good.
not scared of anything.
हाँ.
I think.
Hmm.
Yeah, whatever my life will bring on, I'll see what I
Because
can do.
most of the youngsters now, when I talk to them, when the marriage word comes, they just stay away. They get scared because whatever, like in the surrounding news is coming. Before that, we used to have good relationships, long term. कुछ भी हो जाए यही करना है. But now you see more of the news in industry, even
Yeah.
outside industry, separation news. So when it comes and you heard what reaction, it fears you. अरे यार, this is such a nice couple. How can it can happen?
I think independence ఉండాలి కదా అందరికి. It's again personal thing. I think a lot of things I have to do if I want to be very real and honest. What I observe is we all observe our aunties, Masi, Bua, everyone.
Everybody.
We also see the point of view of men. The older generation sees it as a commitment. Okay,
Yes.
they see it as something that they have to save because that's what they've been taught. But the current generation sees it as they don't see it as a compulsion or a mandate anymore, which is fine. No, you can either take your मतलब आप या तो अपनी जिंदगी को ऐसे जी सकते हो कि हाँ शादी ही सब कुछ है, ये मुझे निभाना है, ये मेरा धर्म है, या तो आप अपने आप को अपने आप की खुशी एक धर्म निभा सकते हो. तो इट्स ओके. इंडस्ट्री के रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहूँगी, बट बाहर के रिलेशनशिप्स की बात करूँ तो आई थिंक the society needs a little change.
Yeah.
And it has gone under change.
Yes.
Women have become empowered, and isn't that
Yes.
a good thing?
Yes.
Women now know what they want. But it's become a little complicated for men to understand what
Yes.
they want. And it's not easy for men to even change achanak se to understand, but everyone have to change.
Yes.
You know, everybody has to come to a midpoint.
Now it's an open-minded thing also. It's not a big thing. Earlier it was
I think
a big
so too.
thing. Now it's a common. Yeah.
You know, if you find the right person, fair enough. You don't just have to. कई लोग मुझे बोलते हैं यार I'm coming to 30, I'm closing to 30, यार शादी करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
Yes.
ये प्रेशर जो पेरेंट्स भी
Yes.
डालते हैं सोसाइटी में नहीं करना चाहिए. पता चला आपने शादी कर ली, फिर बाद में भुगत रहे हो.
Yes.
क्या फायदा?
Right age is not the criteria. Right man, I think.
Right man,
Yes.
right person.
Right
ना?
person.
Even men की. I've heard
Yeah.
men are also too like.
Yeah. So for you, criteria is a man and not the age. Let it be. You want to achieve and then
I think
settle
so.
down.
Yeah.
But you want to be married. I mean, you believe in institute of marriage.
I guess. It's nice to be married.
But when the
to be-
time comes, you will love to have
Yeah.
married life and have kids.
I
and-
enjoy. I think it's a very cute thing. मैं तो एक फेज में भी थी लाइफ में जहाँ मुझे शादी प्यार कुछ नहीं करना था.
हो जाता है.
when you have healed, you know,
Yes.
from your past relationships or something, तब आपको ऐसा लगता है whenever the right time is right, you should. It's okay.
But I want you to say about this because people listen you.
Yeah.
People always think, people who are in cinema industry, they just come out with breakups. They वो लोग के लिए आसान है. It's not that. You're also human. You also have a heart.
Yeah.
How you get healed when you go through a breakups? I mean, you also have gone through depression. You have also gone through up and down. There are also rejections in your life. Who helped you?
I only helped myself.
That's important. Wow, that time I
Nobody
think that
can
doesn't
help.
work.
Nobody can actually help you. Some people are kind to be there, kind to help you pull yourself up. But only you can help yourself.
So you
Love
help yourself.
Yeah.
When you were in your downs or
Your happiness is your responsibility. Pulling yourself out is also your responsibility.
wow.
Not taking the wrong decisions is also. मतलब I love my God. God has given me life. Something wrong goes in my life. Depression में होके जाना ठीक है. But taking your life and all is
That's
very
not
wrong. It's
important.
very.
Yes,
I think it's
yes.
just ungratefulness to your family, ungratefulness to God.
And nowadays people are talking about mental health. Earlier it was not being talked much. Now celebrities like you, they
I
are
think-
talking about
yeah.
it. Then people think,
Mom,
"Arey,
I
they are
just read a
talking."
social media influencer. Took away her life. I just saw something.
Yeah.
Just because she did not have million followers.
See the mental
Why are we
health.
chasing these things?
Yes.
I'm happy I am not.
You're not much of
I get
social-
rejected.
Yeah.
म्यूजिक वीडियो के रिक्वायरमेंट्स आते हैं. You know, म्यूजिक वीडियो में आजकल कास्टिंग ही ऐसी होती है कि 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स है तो इतना बजट, मिलियन फॉलोअर्स है तो कास्ट कर दो.
Yes, yes.
एंड आई डोंट, पहले मैं आई यूज्ड टू चेज दैट कि अरे अरे मैंने फोटो पोस्ट नहीं किया, रील पोस्ट नहीं किया.
It's addiction, social media, yeah.
फॉर मी, हैड आई नॉट बीन एन एक्टर मैम,
Hmm.
आई वुड नॉट हैव बीन ऑन इंस्टाग्राम.
Oh.
बट ऐसे कई एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने इंस्टाग्राम को उतना तवज्जो नहीं दिया है. बट आजकल करना पड़ता है
Yes.
बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ स्टार किड, आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम अ वेरी वेल्दी फैमिली.
So how much time you spend in social media, like to avoid or okay जितना करना है उतना ही? That control how you
जब
get?
मन करता है, कभी कभी
Okay.
मेरे को ना, आई एम ऑल्सो ह्यूमन, आई एम ऑल्सो दिस जेन जी
Yeah.
जनरेशन, सो आई गेट एडिक्टेड. शॉर्ट खत्म होता फोन तो किसने
शुरू हो
मैसेज
गया.
किया, तो मैं 10-15 दिन के लिए डिलीट भी कर देती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम.
Okay.
कम से कम 3 दिन के लिए. मेरी आदतें खराब है अभी.
सबकी हालत है ये. I mean, phone and social media has overcome everything.
या
We are not even enjoying a family time. उसमें भी फोन
Exactly.
चल रहा है.
एग्जैक्ट. और अपनी, सो यू नो एज अ क्रिएटिव ऑल्सो आई फील कभी कभी आई टेक दी, आई व्हाट आई डू इज आई डिलीट माई इंस्टाग्राम फॉर अ फ्यू डेज.
Oh.
क्रिएटिविटी गोज फॉर अ टॉस.
Yes.
You think the original inspiration comes from the things that you have seen, but your own original inspiration.
So for 3 days, if we send you somewhere and
हाँ.
no phone, what 3 things you will do?
I'll be with my book.
Wow.
I'll either write something.
This is
I'll be in a
important.
mirror. I'll observe, na.
Yeah.
Actually, if you just
Because
live
of
your
the
life.
phone, I think we are not able to hold the book and pen.
Yeah, no.
The kids also having the same. So I think you should give this message.
Yeah. See, we are all going back to. आजकल थेरेपी में क्या है? क्ले पॉट बना रहे हैं, ड्राइंग करना थेरेपी है.
Yes.
स्पोर्ट्स खेलना या कुछ ना कुछ खेलना एक थेरेपी है. सो ये सब चीज़ें तो हम बचपन में करते ही थे.
But now.
बचपन में हमको थेरेपी की जरूरत ही नहीं थी
Yes.
बिकॉज वी वर नॉट ऑन फोन्स.
Yes.
एटलीस्ट आवर जनरेशन वाज.
Yes.
सो गो
This
बैक
is-
टू द बेसिक्स.
Exactly. That's very important. So one song from you. Telugu song.
मुझे कहाँ से आ रही है?
Some 1-2 lines.
కాటుక కళ్ళలు చూస్తే పోతుందే మతి పోతుందే, చాటుగా నడుములు చూస్తే పోతుంది మతి పోతుందే, కాటుగా సొగసులు చూస్తే
Good, good.
నీ కష్టం చూస్తూ అందం అయ్యయ్యో అనుకుంటూనే నాదేదో బాగుందే చలి, ఇదే నా ప్రేమంటే మరి.
Wow. एक dialogue. बस last.
आया फिरंगी दूर से, ऐसा मंतर मारा, लूटा दोनों हाथों से, प्यारा वतन हमारा. जाग जाओ भारतवासियों, अब घुटता है दम हमारा, तोड़ दो गुलामी की जंजीरें, बन जाओ अंगारा, बन जाओ अंगारा. हर हर महादेव.
Wow. See, I'm getting goosebumps. I'm
Thank
getting
you.
goosebumps right
Thank
now.
you.
It's really Har Har Mahadev and really,
Thank you. हर हर महादेव.
really, Ulka.
Hare
I mean,
Krishna.
it was like
I
You
think
gave
that
me
will be the
goosebumps.
best dialogue.
best
Instead of-
ever. And
I'll-
it's needed the most, like, you know.
Yeah.
वो अंदर एक रखना
जाग
है,
जाओ
एक
भारतवासियों, अब घुटता है दम हमारा.
Yes.
Yes.
वो spirit नहीं जानी है.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so
and
much,
we'll
Neha.
have more interviews. I want you to work more in Telugu.
Thank
And
you.
we'll
Hope
keep
to.
promoting you, like whenever your new movie is coming, so I'll be the first one to catch her with more of updates. So thank you so much, Ulka.
Thank you.
So for more updates, keep watching. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you.